Oh boy, am I glad to see you, Norm.
Yeah, I can see why. Look at this old Adirondack chair. It's in tough shape. The screws are all rusted. Pieces are loose.
Norm, it's old.
It's pretty shaky.
And it's been outside all this time.
Yeah, I think about 30 years it's been outside. Wow.
Yep, with the New England snow and ice and rain.
Well, you know, we can probably fix it.
Yeah, look at this. See these little holes?
Yeah.
Caused by carpenter bees that get in there and make a nest.
Yeah, they like that kind of wood.
I don't like that.
But there's some good news today about plans for projects like this. In fact, the Adirondack chair.
Oh, these are the plans that people can buy?
That's right. It's a PDF file. People can buy it. They can print it themselves, and everything is in here that they need. All the materials and pieces they have to get.
Oh, I like that.
Right. Details showing
the whole anatomy.
Dimensions.
Huh?
Right.
Yeah.
Gives you a sense of how it goes together.
Yeah. Oh, and patterns.
Right. There's a lot of pieces that are curved, and the best way to do that, it's a big dimension, 26 inches. So you have to do it with a grid.
So you scale it up.
That's right. Exactly.
Yeah.
And pretty much that's the rest of it. And they can get these and start making some chairs.
Now you remember this piece, Norm.
Right. This is the tap table.
A tap table.
Right.
So named for the kinds of tables that one would find in saloons or tap rooms. And people could sit around them, 2 or 3 people would sit around a table and enjoy the brew. This one, I think, came from New Hampshire as an antique, original.
Now, the original that we saw was a little, shaky. This one's very solid. And the reason it was shaky is that this connection is a mortise and tenon ideal. You have a mortise here and a tenon in the rail, and you glue those together. And with the right glue like we put in, it's never going to fall apart.
This one made with hand tools years ago when the hide glues would not have held up as this one has.
Oh, that's for sure. And look at this.
Yeah,
we have a little connection here to fix this. It was a divot, I'm sure, and I chiseled it out and make a piece to put it in there, and then still keep it kind of rough and used.
Yeah, these are sometimes called Dutchmen.
That's right.
I guess so named because the Dutch are very thrifty and they never throw anything out.
That's right.
So that they can patch it, that'll do. Well, it's great to see him. Norm, it's great to have you here. I hope you come back many times and give us a blessing.
Right. Well, I'll come back. Can I use the tools?
No. Well, from the looks of it, Norm, people are liking seeing the show.
That's great. I like that.
Yeah, we like it too. It means a lot to us that there are still people who are enjoying the New Yankee Workshop, and we want to reach out and thank you all for your comments and for your support. It means a great deal.
Right. And just have a great time woodworking. It's a fun thing to do.
Fun thing to do?
It's a fun thing to do, yes. As long as you don't cut yourself.
Right.